point, Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. Glad you guys are here. Today I am painting over an old canvas that I already pre-textured with some parchment paper. I really love fold and creases in my texture art when I use aluminum foil and paper. I'm just going to be using some light, soft, neutral colors. Now, a lot of times too, and I thought I'd mention this because I'm fairly new at doing the abstract painting for the last several months. And there's a lot of new people continuously to my channel, which I'm very grateful for. Thank you for subscribing. So sometimes you guys will see, not all the time, but a lot of times, especially when I start off with fluid paint, you guys will notice that I'll kind of like go in and move it around several times and blend a couple times. And for me, that's kind of like my warm-up exercise. Most of my paintings, probably 95% of them are intuitive, meaning I just go in and paint. And then other times I have a specific design in my head and then I do my best to execute that on the canvas. So I'm excited to get going. So let's get painting. just love these colors. They warm my heart, even without, like, you know, the red, orange tones. I just love neutral color palettes altogether. And I really love how this looks. I really love really fluid paint and kind of scraping it with an under base layer. You get those really beautiful effects. Almost reminds me of wood, very naturistic, like bark or really old leaves. It just really connects me to nature. If you're struggling and you're new, do some warm up. Just put paint on a canvas. I know initially your instinct wants to have a plan, and once that paintbrush hits the canvas, you want to start executing. It really just doesn't really happen that way very often, and for most artists, it is part of the creative process. And I can tell you firsthand that once you start doing it without even thinking, your body just starts doing it. And before you know it, you end up with something beautiful. And then you get to utilize the techniques and the skills that you've learned, so that when you can form a concept or a plan, you're able to execute it on canvas. So don't be scared to get started, guys. I have lots of simplistic yet beautiful, elegant, abstract artwork and fluid art for you to take a look at if you are struggling. But I absolutely love this. Oh, that right there is just absolutely stunning. And it just adds so much interest in depth. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for being here. Please like. It's free. Subscribe. It's free. Comment. It's free. And share on your social medias or friends or whoever you like. I appreciate it. Helps the channel. We're on our way to 20K. We're just about there. So stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next pour or painting.